Hi, Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. Tristan, make some noises for Grandma. Make some noises for Grandma. Come on. Are you going to wave hi? Yeah, say hi.
He just hit himself in the head.
Say hi, Grandma. Oh, you're trying to sit up. Oh, look over at Greg. Wave hi. Oh. Are you getting hungry? Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. You make some funny faces. Yes, you do. Yeah. Okay, say we're going to send this to you now, Grandma. Bye-bye. Bye.